10 AI tools that will help you make $1,000 daily in 2026. If you are not aware, I need you to know that there are AI tools that, when paired with the right skills and demand, will help you build an income scale that is on a very high level. I'm talking thousands of dollars every single day. And in this video, I'm breaking down 10 of those tools that are creating real income opportunities and how people are actually using them. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Jen. I'm a virtual assistant with almost a decade of experience, and I talk about virtual assistant education, AI education, and in this channel, I talk about different tips, strategies, and growth that will help you scale your online career or your online business. This video is not about shortcuts or myths. It is particularly about leverage, because in the world today, AI is the leverage we need. Now, this video is divided into 4 categories or 4 niches. So this means I will tell you what the niche or the category is. I will tell you the different tools under these categories and what they do. So all I need you to do right now is to get your pen and your paper and let's get started. The first category is content, strategy, and digital product. I'm sure that you've heard these terms a lot since the advancement of AI. And the first AI tool that helps you with this is the popular ChatGPT. ChatGPT. I don't understand why people call this GBT. It's not GBT, it is GPT. ChatGPT is still one of the most powerful tools, not because it writes for you, but because it helps you think faster. I always tell my students to make sure that they are using AI to support the work they do, not delegating their brain, their thinking process to AI. So to make money with ChatGPT, you can use it to create content, you can use it to create digital products, you can use it to build offers, and you can also use it to support clients. Once you create an offer or a product based on the different things you can use ChatGPT to do, you can start making money. So when you pair ChatGPT with consulting or freelancing or remote work, this becomes an income multiplier. So you want to sit down, think about what you normally use ChatGPT for, and come up with different things that you can do with ChatGPT to start making money. The next tool is called Claude. Claude is especially strong for long form thinking. Claude is usually like the rival of ChatGPT, if I do say so myself. So people use Claude for documentation, SOP creation, strategy writing, business planning, business proposal writing, business plan writing, you name it. Everything that has to do with long form thinking, long form writing, Claude is your guide. This tool is heavily used in operations, backend support, consulting, which pays well because they are tied to structure and also business revenue. With Claude, you can build your brand, start offering different services that people need that you can use Claude for, and here you go, $1,000 daily. The last tool under this category is called Google Gemini AI. This is quite popular because once you have a Google account, you certainly have a Gemini account. Google Gemini is powerful for writing research and writing synthesis. So it is often used for market research, competitive analysis, content planning, and also product ideation. So this tool is especially valuable for people that are creating educational products, services, and content-based businesses. So right about now, think about the different things that you can do, the different offers, different services that you can offer using Gemini and start making your money. Now, category 2, design and visual creation. The first tool in this category is Canva AI. Yes, the popular Canva that we know, but the AI tool of Canva. Canva AI is particularly a huge income generator because people use it to create digital products, templates, brand kits, presentations. These are the things that people sell every single day. So this particular tool lowers the barrier to entry when it comes to making money, but it is important for you to pair it with strategy. So pair with strategy and positioning, not just design. That is why when I see ads that says things like, instead of watching Netflix, all you need to do is open Canva, create a digital product and sell. No, it doesn't work that way. Yes, you can create digital products with Canva, but if you do not have a strategy and you don't have positioning, that product will just be in your drive. The next tool is called Midjourney. This is an AI image generator that you can use to create unique images for your digital products, your social media pages, marketing assets, branding packages. This will help you to avoid plagiarism because you are creating brand new images that are unique to you based on the prompts that you give the generator. So AI image tools on their own, they don't make money. They make money when you pair it with a strategy, a business model, or a product that you are selling. So it's important to learn how to use these tools and make them your leverage. That means use them to amplify what you already do so that you can make good money from it. So the next category is video and audio monetization. So there are different tools that help you with video monetization and audio monetization, and we're going to be looking at the tools in this particular category. The first tool in this category is called Descript. Descript is widely used for video and audio editing. So some people use it for YouTube editing, podcast editing, content repurposing, and even short form video editing. So this particular tool helps service providers like video editors, audio editors to work faster. So as a video editor, instead of manually editing your videos, you can now use this particular tool to edit the videos of the clients faster. So that means that if on a normal day in a week you can only take 2 clients because of the time it takes you to edit a video manually, now with this script you can actually take up to 10 clients every day. So you see, you can actually even make more than $1,000 daily. The next tool is called Pictory, and it helps you turn text into videos. So it is commonly used in short form content agencies, YouTube automation workflows, and also course creation. Again, note that the money is in the service you are using the tool to do, not the tool itself, because the tool on its own is just there. You need to create whatever it is you want to create with it and sell it. So that is where the service and the system comes in. So the next tool is called 11 Labs. 11 Labs is used for realistic AI voiceovers. So this means that I can attach different videos and use 11 Labs to do a voiceover and it will sound exactly like me. So people use it for course creation, audiobooks, and also video narration. This particular tool supports a scalable content business. So if you are trying to start a content-based business, whether as an agency or as a creator, this particular tool is very, very good for you and it will help you generate income faster. And the last category is called automations, systems, and operations. And the first AI tool under this category is Zapier. Zapier is very good. A lot of people use Zapier because it helps to automate workflows between different tools. Businesses pay for automation setup, system automation, and also reduced manual work. And Zapier especially helps with all of these 3 that I've mentioned. And you should know that automation roles are growing fast because they save companies time and money. And the last tool in this last category is called Notion AI. So Notion AI is used to create dashboards, knowledge bases, operation systems, and more people are using it to create their vision board, creating their goal, creating their planners, different things you can think of. So this particular tool is often used by virtual assistants, online business managers, and consultants to scale and manage their operations. There you have it, 10 AI tools that can help you make $1,000 daily in 2026. Let me know which of these tools you already use, which of these tools interests you, and which of these tools you are going to start learning to use in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and comment subscribe, and I'll send you a free gift. Don't forget to like this video and share it with all the people in your circle you want to make money with this year, and I will see you in my next video.